guys, welcome back to my channel. Stacy Smart here. I am here to teach you easy and fun makeup and hair tips and tricks, as well as empower you to feel your most beautiful self, because you are beautiful and I truly believe that. Today I wanted to share with you what's in my palette. So I've done a lot of tutorials here or over on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm always showing like different makeup looks, different eyeshadow looks, but I wanted to show you my palette and what I have in it without fail year round. So if you are like a makeup lover like I am, you're probably gonna love this. So this is my personal palette. It is called a triple decker. Do you see that? There are 3 levels to this bad boy. It actually is free with the purchase of any 25 colors off of the Beauty Gang. So you could pick like eyeshadows, blush colors, some illuminators if you want concealer, contour, bronzer, anything you want. You can actually get this for free, which is really nice. It's all magnetic. It's not very heavy. It's like, it doesn't weigh that much. I travel with this all the time. This goes with me on flights, like it's on my carry-on bag because it just passes through TSA with flying colors. So let's look at the first layer. This is the first layer of my palette, and I have, as you can see, a lot of different colors in here. I like to have a variety of highlight colors because my skin changes pretty frequently. Sometimes I get spray tans. I'm totally due for one, but I like to get spray tans, and so when I have a spray tan, I have a color in here for my spray tan. As my skin changes throughout the season and the year, I can change my color very easily without having to go dig through a makeup bag and find a different foundation color. I've got my concealer right here. I also have like some color correctors in here. I've got my bronzer. I actually like mixed, I custom made one of my own colors that you can see in here. That's right there. And then I have my contour colors. This contour color gives me a little bit more definition when I'm feeling like, okay, I really want my makeup to like look a little bit more bold. And then when I want my makeup to be a little bit more soft, then I have this contour color. So it's just a softer contour, basically. So, and then this is my primer. So I have everything that I like could need or want just on this first level. And I like to keep them in here so then when I'm traveling, I just don't even have to worry about it. As long as I have my compact and my makeup brushes, I know I'm good to go. Seriously, like if I'm an Enneagram 6, so if something were to happen, heaven forbid, I'm prepared for it, okay? I got everything I need. Let's talk about the second layer. This is the second layer of my compact. I have a lot of different blush colors in here. The blush colors double as a lip shade, which is so convenient. And I love mixing and matching my lip colors. I like to do a custom cheek color almost every single day. I don't like to just have one color on there. I used to like love that. And then I kind of got bored with it. And now I'm like, why not create a custom lip shade or a custom cheek color? So these are some of my favorites. I am missing a couple of favorites, namely Sandstone, but I have Hollywood, Dahlia, this is Plum, and then Royal, which is really pretty. I have another Dahlia because I like it a lot. And then this one, Summer Love. It's really, really nice. I use one of these Dahlias for eyeshadow. I think it's this one where you can see that little sweep in it. This one is called Scarlet. Wow, Scarlet is so pretty. It is very bold, and so I usually mix Scarlet with another color. And then this one is called Saffron, and Saffron, like this time of year, is just so pretty. And then this is Frenchie, and Frenchie's also used as an under eye corrector. Sometimes I do have like a little bit blue underneath my eyes, and since Frenchie has so much orange to it, that will help neutralize the blue. So those are my blush colors on the second layer. And then on the final layer, I have my like most often go-to eyeshadows. Of course, I have Philly right there. Philly is like one of the only eyeshadows that I'm like hitting tin on. And then I have Photoshop and Glamazing. I use both of those illuminators. They're super pretty. And then I just have a combination of just like neutrals. So I can create a lot of different eyeshadow looks, but especially because I put this ginger in here and Philly, I can also have a look that's maybe a little bit more dramatic depending on my mood. And then of course I have my Vanilla Dust powder in the very bottom. I do not go anywhere without that powder. I don't go out without the powder. Is that double negative? Anyways, I love the Vanilla Dust. If you're oily at all, highly, highly, highly recommend getting the Vanilla Dust so that you can set your makeup. Okay, so that's what's in my compact. That is it. Well, I say that's it, but I know this probably looks like a lot to somebody, but for me, like to have this all in the palm of my hand versus the like whole makeup organizer that I used to have to fit everything, and then having to like pick and choose when I was going to travel, like, oh, which blush am I going to take? I can't like take them all because there's not room in my makeup bag, or it's going to make my bag too heavy. I don't have to worry about that anymore because it just goes in here. As far as brushes go, I have like 3 staple brushes, and then I have 5 that I travel with. So the 5 that I travel with are this Eyeshadow Everything brush. It's only 18 bucks. It's only $18. It's double-sided as per all of the brushes. It's got a fluffy side and then a smudgy side. So I use this for like every single eyeshadow look that I do, always. It's just so easy, and I love the way it blends, and I love the way it applies. So that is one of them. And then I also take this blend and tap brush with me when I'm traveling. Again, it can kind of like help like elevate the eyeshadow look that I'm doing. I like to use this pointy side for right in here by the tear duct. You can contour the nose and do some detail contouring, even under the lip with this brush. So it goes with me. All right, now let's get to my 3 favorite brushes. You will never, I shouldn't say never because sometimes I just have my 30-second hack on hand. But like I will never, for sure, never travel without these brushes. These are for sure like my ride or die. So if you don't have them yet, trust me, you need them. This one here is the Detail Hack. It's got like this smaller side for detail just detail work, and then this other side for contouring. So we like to say it's like a push-up bra for your cheeks because it just really gets in there and gets the job done. I love it. And then I also like to stamp my contour along the top of my nose with it. So this one is fantastic. You could do your entire face with this brush. You totally could. I'm not kidding. You could do your highlight, your contour, your blush. I've even done a video recently showing everything with this one brush, and then you could do like a quick little sweep in your crease for your eyeshadow. It's like a one and done. It's so good. Okay, this next one is the Best Blend Forever. Where do I begin? When this brush was released, I think I about cried because I've been waiting for a brush that was like so fluffy. So you can do so many things with this brush. You can do your under eye brightening, and it just kind of feathers on. I will apply my entire like highlight with this brush, or even like contour. It applies so beautifully, and it does not pick up too much product, that when it's just so fluffy, it just like blends in with the skin. And then this smaller side I like because it is flatter than my Detail Hack. So they're actually different. This one's pointier, and this one is just really soft. So it's nice for like doing, you know, you can do some detail contouring with it, but it really blends things out super easily. And then of course the final star of the show, I swear, I don't know how long I'm going to have to preach this, but if you have not purchased this brush yet, you better get on the beauty gang and grab it right now, because it is literally the best brush ever. I think it's my all-time favorite brush of all time. Like, I'm not kidding. It beats like any other brush I've ever purchased before. It's so good. So this is called the Blush and Bronzer brush. I like to call it the B squared brush because there's 2 B's, you know, B squared. But you can use it for more than just your blush and your bronzer. You can use it for your foundation, for your highlight. Just like buffing it into the skin It really does a nice job applying your makeup, and I feel like you can get light to full coverage with this brush. I also apply my bronzer with it, of course, and then, you know, my blush, but my powder, when I apply my powder, I sweep it away with this side because it's so fluffy. It just, oh, it's so nice and soft. And I love this brush so much. Right now, right in front of me, I have like 3 or 4 of this brush because I love it that much. And I'm like kind of weird and picky, but like this is the one I use for bronzer. And then I like to use this one for the blush and this one for this. Okay, that is everything that goes in my compact. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, please let me know. I will link my palette and everything that you can fill inside of it below, and I'll see you next time.